Many people will say that the world of autopilot can't really exist. They say this by looking onto the existing physical world, social world, economic world, spiritual world. What they say that the realities, the totalities of the existence are diversified and standing on different poles, conflicting and colliding with each other, so we can't find a common ground. If someone defines some solutions to it, it won't stay for longer time frames because the elements within those autopilot will collapse the reality of autopilot that was previously defined. Just like powerful magnets having north poles that can't be joined even if you apply much forces, or radiational interactive forces, because of large polarities of matter, can't align themselves, or the light going through various processes within this magnetic and radiation polarities, and creating separate combination existence of something. Looking all of these, people are wondering, creations are happening, things are forming, forces are there, some things are getting created out of nothing. There are work energies outside the human body and work energies in the entirety of universe and work energies around our life-sustaining body. Still the notion of autopilot seems to be a far road. Actually, ideologies defining the end must at least try to define the stages of human autopilot existence where things happen without effort and realities get aligned to cyclic stabilities. Things takes its origin from the light. The light having its elements moves through various processes of matter exhibiting diverse magnetic radiation polarities, extracting life energies and providing life. Finally the light gets extinguished into dead matter. This again becoming light through various processes. Only by understanding this cyclic existence, you can define the world of autopilot. The ideas of realities that liberates humans from all sorts of bondages exists in it. Singularity begins and ends in light, and inside those short undefined time frames, the so-called matter exists and influences the light.